So if you've been looking for some ultra high molecular weight polyethylene, low friction tape, this is the guy you want. This has some really great features to it. This stuff is impact, wear resistant, it's long lasting surface protection, abrasion resistance, and noise reduction. This stuff is great for like drawer slides, saw tables, routers, doors, anything you want something with some low friction. This tape is going to help you out a whole lot. Let me show you this, get a little close up on it. And this stuff comes in 5 different sizes: 1/2 inch, 3/4. This is a 3/4 inch, 1, 2, and 3 inch tape. So you can get different sizes for different purposes. The bigger stuff's really great for like table saws. You want to put a nice coating down on your table saw, have a nice smooth, low friction surface, and that's the whole point of this stuff. And I kind of use this a lot of woodworking. Just because the low friction on here, it kind of makes things slide nice and easy. When you're working with wood or anything like that, you definitely want stuff to slide nice and easy and smooth. There we go. We got it all off. Let me see if we get the top off here. Here we go. There we go. So I have it open. I'll kind of show you the surface of it. And I feel this is almost like glass, really smooth. This here is the paper backing, and the inside's the smooth part. So it's kind of like a friction-free tape. So anything you want to put, say you want things to slide nice and smooth, you can put this on a table. And like I said, saw tables, really great. Routers or anything like that. Even drawer slides, really great for that. I cut a piece off already. I'll kind of show you here. So if you feel it, see, there's kind of a rough side and a super smooth side. This is the smooth side. So you're going to peel off the little paper backing, just like that. And I'll just stick it on here for now, just so you can get a feel for it. And so how this works is, of course, you're going to put it where you want it. You can see it's got some grip there. Here, almost no grip. Things are just going to slide nice and smooth. So these are like great for doors. Drawer slides, anywhere you want something to slide nice and smooth. Drawer slides are really great for this because, like I said, this is a wear resistant. This will last a long time. And of course, it's going to keep things nice and smooth. And so I think what we're going to do now, I'll get out a table and I'll put it on there and I'll kind of show you it. So what I do is I'll put it on my guide here along the edges. You can kind of see it on here. And that'll make it nice and easy to slide around here, because this is kind of bare wood over here. So when it hits here, it's a little bit rougher. And this is going to make it nice and easy to slide back and forth. And also, if you want to put some on the table, also another great place to put it. It'll make it super easy to slide right across here, where this is kind of just like bare metal, bare wood. And this is pretty good, but once you put this tape on here, way better. And a lot of other great purposes for this, like store guides, drawers, anything. Just you need something to have like a non-stick, low friction area. Great for it. And like I said, it comes in 5 different sizes. So you can kind of mix and match however you want. I'd probably get like maybe the 2-inch tape on here and go across both of these just along here, just to make this whole part nice and smooth. And that's the ultra high molecular weight polyethylene low friction tape. Really great thing to have. I highly recommend this, either like for businesses, industrial, or just home use. Tons of uses for this guy. I think you'd be surprised how many times you'll be able to use this, because just having some friction-free tape, anything you want to be able to slide nice and smooth. You can line drawers with this. They have some 3-inch tape. If you want like a much wider strip, you can use that. I just got the skinnier strip for what I'm using. But especially on like table saws, things like that, routers, any kind of jig you want to like slide things across and you don't want it to be stuck, just want a nice smooth slide. That's what this is for. Check them out.